I want to share with you today a box that I just got in the mail, and it's from Miss Mary Kate's class, MK's classroom. I ordered it. Miss Mary Kate is in the architect's classroom at Harbor Light, and I want to show you what's in this box. So I'm going to open it up. I got a nice handwritten card from Miss Mary Kate thanking me for ordering, and it has a kit inside. Guess what's in the kit? We're gonna find out together. Okay, so here's the kit, and I'm gonna open it up and see. Look what's inside. I have 3 different kinds of Play-Dohs. I have some treasures that can go in a little treasure chest. I think I'll put them in there right now. I put all my treasures in the treasure chest. Let's see. There's a few more. Okay. I have a cookie cutter. I think it's a crab. You'll have to make that. Something to roll my Play-Doh out. Trying to get it so you guys can see everything. All right. Here's another cookie cutter, and it's a pirate ship. Some beads and some shells. So I'm gonna unravel, some rocks too. I'm gonna unravel one of my Play-Dohs, and we can make something together. I'll put my kit aside. All right, I have a little plate here. What shall we make? I'm gonna use some of these things here to make impressions on the Play-Doh. Impressions, yeah. All right, let's use our rolling pin. The rolling pin can help me flatten it, right? All right, let's make a crab first. Let's see how it comes out. Look at my crab. How cute is he? All right, I have a crab. Now I'm gonna use this shell and see if I can make something. I'm gonna push it down. Let's see what we make. Oops, I ruined that one. Let me try that again. I'm gonna push it down and make it flat. Oh, let's see. Oh, it came out nice. Look, I'll show you. See my shell? I pressed it in there and made an impression with it. Okay, let's see in our treasure chest. Let's see if I can make a coin. Let's see. So many things you can do with Play-Doh. Oh, it came out cute. Yeah, let's fix it. You see? It's hard to see. So, look at all the things I've made. I've made a shell. I made a crab. I made a coin. And I can hide these gems inside the Play-Doh, and then you have to pull it apart to find them. Play-Doh is so much fun. I hope you guys have a nice day and you'll have fun.